He said something.
Yeah, come here. Come here. Chris, step up. Step up. Come here. He's not going to do it now because we want it to.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Should we say I can do it really loud right now? Brandon's new best friend. Brandon's alter ego is a bird. If we had some of the the juice stuff, they'd be all over us. That's the one that was making the noises.
He's on my shoulder.
Is he eating your ear?
Chris,
He's like, I'm going to bite your
He'll
neck.
go at, well, you've got a freckle right there, or a small mole.
I see.
And he knows it doesn't belong there, so he'll remove it for you.
Oh, wow.
We don't charge extra for the cosmetic surgery. That's free. Are you ready to go out? Chilling on the door.
Is that the one that was talking? Yeah.
Yeah. Well, they're trying to buy my mole.